Yo, what's up? Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Smartphone these days, the screens are getting bigger and bigger, and most of our hands are not even able to reach all the way to the screen with one hand. And today I am going to show you how to use a one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy phones for the Samsung Galaxy S21 or like a Galaxy Note or something like that. And they are pretty much similar, and I'm going to show you how to enable that so you can use your one hand to touch all of the screen area of the phone. So please stay tuned. Oh, by the way, before I forget, I always forget, if you like the video so far, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? That really helps support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. And now let's get going, and I'll show you how to enable that so you can use your one hand freely anytime, anywhere. Okay, first I will show you how to do the one-handed mode on the Galaxy S21. Swipe down from the notification, hit the setting button, then scroll down to advanced features. Press that, and then go find one-handed mode right here. So click on that, and then there's two types. There's a gesture one, as you can see the animation. And then there's a button, double tap, and it will make the screen smaller. So I like to use gesture because it will prevent more accidentally touch. And here, let me show you a little demonstration. Swipe down on the home button and your whole screen will be smaller, as you can see. So you can use one hand to dial. See right now, full screen, really hard to use one hand to dial. But if you swipe down, you can dial all the buttons easily. And now I will show you on the Galaxy Note 8. It's pretty similar process, but the implementation will be a little bit different. So swipe down, hit the setting button, and then advanced feature, and then look for one-handed mode. Turn that on. So when you press on it, as you see, there's two same options, gesture and double tap the button. So the gesture, instead of swiping the home button, you swipe diagonally on the lower part of the screen. As you can see right here, the screen becomes smaller. So there you have it, really easy and simple. So there you have it. Hope you liked today's video, and if you liked the video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.